Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fazli bin Muhammad Dia and I am going to present my final year project entitled Utilization of Palm Oil Fiber POF as Thermal Insulated Roof Ceiling Panel. Before I start, I want to thank my supervisor, technologist Muhammad Lufi bin Ahmad Jani and technician Helmi bin Kusnin as my co-supervisor for helping me throughout this project. Okay, first and foremost, allow me to provide a quick overview of my project. Okay, climate change has become a severe concern in our century right now. As a result, energy consumption for residential cooling appliances soared, particularly in Malaysia. The installation of thermal insulated panel can assist to lower the temperature inside our home and reduce the energy consumption. But commercial thermal insulated ceiling panel are out of reach for most of Malaysian, particularly those in B40 groups. As a result, the purpose of this study is to look into the mechanical characteristic of palm oil fiber (POF) as a thermal insulator for roof ceiling panels. This research will also establish the best content for the panels, and the percentage of POF used in this study were 10%, 15%, and 20%. The finding of this study may be useful in lowering the temperature within residential homes, and furthermore, the improved design of this ceiling panel may aid in lowering production costs and eliminating the use of artificial materials in thermal insulated ceiling panels. Next, the introduction of this project. To stimulate the installation of thermal insulated panel in every home, a less priced alternative is necessary. POF is one of the materials that might be utilized to replace the standard thermal insulated panel materials that oftenly used in the industry. Because Malaysia is one of the world's largest producer of palm oil, so this alternative is possible. POF is a lignocellulose biomass that contains 18% to 23% of lignin, 20 to 30% of hemicellulose, and 35 to 50% of cellulose. These, among other things, add to its biodegradability, insulating qualities, and increase the thermal properties. Gypsum board is a commonly used as insulation materials applied to the exterior surface of building elements to maintain structural material strength and stiffness when exposed to high temperatures in the construction industry. So since both POF and gypsum are eco-friendly building materials, so as a result, when we combine it together in this project, so the material qualities may be enhanced. Gypsum is a water-soluble mineral with a wide range of colors depending on its purity. It is fire-resistant, reducing the risk of fire and ensuring life safety. Meanwhile, the biodegradability, insulating properties, enhanced thermal characteristic, and low cost and density are all the benefit of POF, as I said earlier, in polymer composites. The chemical makeup of POF is shown as in the table below. Next is the methodology of these studies. After determining the study target and conducting a literature review, POF fiber from empty fruit bunch was chosen as the constituent for the thermal insulated ceiling panel, together with gypsum powder. Following that, the sample was prepared as planned and testing was carried out in accordance with the American Society for Testing and Materials (ASTM). The information gathered was then analyzed and discussed. The result for this study is, the first test done is thermal conductivity of the panel. From the graph shown, it is clear that the thermal conductivity can be reduced by adding more POF into the mixture. Meanwhile, the water absorption test recorded that all the samples absorb less water when the POF rate in the mixture is increased. So, as a conclusion, we can conclude that the mechanical characteristic of ceiling panel is directly affected by the factors such as gypsum content and POF content in the mixture. Number two is the ratio of POF in gypsum powder mix increase. The rate of thermal conductivity steadily decrease due to the chemical structure of the fiber, all of which contribute to the fiber's improved thermal properties. Number 3, the water absorption rate of the panel falls when the POF value in the gypsum mixture is increased. This is because the POF fill the gap in gypsum porosity, so reducing the quantity of water that can be absorbed by the panel. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.